cherished child. Now is the time for divine favor. Heaven has planned for this very moment in your life to be one in which God's hand is actively altering your destiny and bestowing blessings that you cannot fathom. The Lord says, I have a great plan for your life. You are not forgotten, and every pain and trial you have gone through was not in vain. Rather, it was preparing you for the greatness that is about to unfold. This is your time of recovery. The things that tried to break you are now being lifted up, and your spirit is being renewed and set free to soar. The things that tried to break you were divinely used to build you up, to strengthen your spirit, and to sharpen your faith. You are entering a new realm, a new season, where God's grace flows abundantly throughout your life. Don't let the storms overwhelm you, because the Lord is telling you, I will bless you over and over again in the midst of your darkest hours. God has been at work in the unseen realm, sending his angels and his heavenly host to fight for you. Don't worry during your test. It's just a temporary one, and your breakthrough is waiting on the other side. Everything you have asked for and everything your heart has desired is being realized in this given time, and you will recover your joy, tranquility, and purpose. God will provide for you because, as his word states in Isaiah 55:1, his promises are eternal, and he does not lie. If you believe in this divine promise, as in this video, the Lord is speaking to you today. My dear one, you are not just a creation. You are a co-creator with me, the source of all things, and the power of my divine breath resides within you, waiting to be realized. As you awaken to this truth, doors you once believed were sealed will open, and new divinely ordained paths will open, and you will once more have the deepest desires of your soul. Everything you need to fully become who I have called you to be is already within you. You trust that my timing is perfect. Recognize, dear, that you are not a victim of circumstance. The world does not outweigh the power within you, which I have granted to mold your reality. Your surroundings have no power on your inner state of heart and soul, which is reflected in your outer world. You are a vessel of divine transformation, shaping the world through the light of my spirit that flows through you. The path of healing, growth, and self-discovery you've chosen is sacred, designed by me to bring you into greater alignment with my divine will, with every moment of surrender and self-love. You are unlocking doors to blessings you cannot yet see, though you have endured trials. They have strengthened you, preparing you for the overflow of my grace that is now being released in your life. I have always been with you, and every tear, every prayer has been heard. The harvest of your perseverance is about to bloom. Walk in the power of your divine identity. Love every part of yourself, for you are fearfully and wonderfully made, my masterpiece, created with purpose and destined for greatness. The love and care you show yourself radiates into the world for the light. Within you is my light. Speak words over yourself that reflect the truth of who you are in me. Build yourself up with my promises, for I am your foundation and strength as you nurture your inner peace and align your spirit with my love. The blessings you seek will be drawn to you as you dwell in my presence. Be patient, for I am working all things together for your good. Trust that what is meant for you will come in my divine timing. Focus on the still small voice. The transformation you seek starts within, and as you heal the world around you, it will reflect that healing. Know that I am changing your life this season, ushering you into a new era of miracles, blessings, and divine favor. The inner work you are doing is making room for me to do a powerful work in and through you. Are you prepared for what I have in store for you? Get your heart ready, for my grace is pouring out in ways you can't even fathom, and the skies are opening. For the moment of breakthrough, walk in trust. Type 1111. I am your God, and if you have faith in the angels guiding you and keep in mind my promise in Isaiah 41:10, you need not be afraid, because I am with you. I will support you with my righteous hand and strengthen you. My beloved child, if you're a spiritual person seeking to transform your life and the lives of those in your near circle, you simply need something new. Have you ever pondered why you haven't been able to manifest? Southwest listens carefully to this message. In less than 7 days after hearing this 1-minute prayer, you will begin to draw money and abundance into your life. This biblical 1-minute prayer brings prosperity and richness into your life. Would you like it? Click the link below to know the wealth secrets of divine prayer to attract wealth and abundance into your life. Beloved child of God, hear the voice of the Almighty speaking tenderly to your soul. The challenges and sorrows you have endured have left an imprint. They may have dimmed some of your radiance, stolen some of your joy, and made you feel distant from the person you once were. But the Lord is not distant. He is ever near, and He is extending His hand to you now, inviting you into His divine embrace. He is not done with you yet, and His plans for you remain perfect and full of promise. He says, "Come, let me restore your heart. I will teach you to stand firm and war for the peace that is yours. I will show you how to fight in prayer and to intercede for your own soul, that you may find your fire rekindled and burning brighter than ever before." Precious one, remember that the Lord has never left your side. He knows your deepest longing, and even now He is bringing them to pass. He is causing streams to flow in the desert places of your life, opening new pathways in the wilderness where it once seemed impossible. Restoration is coming. His hand is reaching out to heal every broken piece and to fill you with the fullness of His love. Even now, prepare your heart for a significant transformation that is about to happen. God is still the God who works miracles and is dependable in answering His children's prayers. Have faith that His promises are being fulfilled in your life. What the Lord has in store for you will surpass your wildest dreams, giving you a sense of amazement and astonishment. The long nights of trial are giving way to a day of heavenly favor, and the seeds you sowed in tears will soon bear fruit of happiness. Your financial, emotional, and spiritual blessings will increase, not because you worked hard, but rather because God's time has come, and His grace is now meeting you to bring forth everything He has spoken over your life. I speak life over you today. May it be a time of open doors, achieving success, and performing miracles beyond comprehension. His word promises that the Lord will restore the years the locusts have eaten, redeem every loss, and use His powerful hand to make right what was broken. The Lord is bringing a flood of abundance into your life, satisfying every need and alleviating every load. Embrace this time of divine fulfillment, for it is here. Type 333 to claim it, my love. Listen intently and with a burning desire in your heart. Everything is about to change. A new period of divine intervention and unparalleled blessing is being ushered in by the winds of transformation. God is not just whispering gentle words, He is roaring, declaring with the full power of His majesty that this is the appointed time for you. The moment has come for you to step into the fullness of your destiny, to rise up and claim the victory that has been ordained for you since the beginning. You have weathered the storms, battled through relentless opposition, and felt the weight of the enemy's attacks crashing down. But take courage, my beloved, for these very trials are proof that you stand on the brink of something extraordinary. The forces of darkness have tried to break you, because they know what is coming. They sense the shift in the spiritual atmosphere, the alignment of the heavens that signals your tea time has arrived. But no power in hell can stop what God has set in motion. The enemy's desperate attempts to derail you are merely the death throes of a defeated foe, clinging to a dominion that is already slipping through his grasping claws. Now is the time to rise, to stand firm in the fullness of your identity as a child of the Almighty God has selected you for this crucial moment, and nothing, not even an enemy, an obstacle, or any residual doubt or fear, can prevent you from entering the destiny He has planned. Now is not the time to back down and doubt or to cower in fear. The stars are aligning, and now is your moment to shine. As stated in Isaiah 60:22, "When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen." God's divine timing is flawlessly precise, assembling the threads of your life's tapestry into a masterpiece of His own design. Without speculating or stumbling in the dark, He has already prepared the way for your advancement. You're recovering from your breakthrough. The universe's Creator has predetermined your victory, and nothing on earth or in the sky can stop His flawless plan, so put your anxieties and doubts aside and pay attention to the voice of the Almighty. Your destiny is being planned by the same God who created the stars, who is also opening doors that no man can close, and sending angels to God, is calling you to a new level of trust, and He is pouring out divine wisdom. But it requires your full focus and surrender. This is not a season for aimless chatter or half-hearted prayers. Rather, it is a time of profound listening, silencing the cacophony of doubt and fear, so that you can hear His voice with crystal. God is fighting war on your behalf, moving heaven and earth to ensure that the appointed time of your breakthrough has arrived. There is no need for you to live in fear or frustration, because God's promises are here, and they are coming with a power and glory that will leave you stunned. The moment is approaching when you will stand before the world and testify of God's miraculous works. You will describe how He raised you from the ashes, how He turned your pain into purpose, and how He raised you up to shine with divine favor. God is speaking with precision, teaching you how to release control so that you can receive the full measure of His blessing. He is preparing you to let go of every lie and limiting belief that has attempted to hold you back, so that you can step into the freedom and victory He has ordained. But before you can boldly proclaim His greatness, you must first sit in His presence, listen, and be filled with His Spirit's strength. This is because you can only do so when you are deeply rooted in Him, immersed in His love, and empowered by His might. Heaven's floodgates are about to open for the Lord. Your God is a powerful warrior who fights for you. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button to be the first to know about new videos. The heavens are aligning, the stage is set, and the appointed time has come. So type 555 if you are ready to receive the fullness of what God has promised and stand in faith.